In this video, I will show you how to set text preset in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now import your text. So I'll just go to this text section. I will delete this one. After you go to text, so import the text timeline. Now here is my text. So go and add some editing to the text. So go to this effect. So I'll add some effect to the text. I'll use this one. So here is the text with the effect. So if you want to save this text as a preset, right click on it, go to save preset. So now I save this text as a preset. If you want to find where CapCut save your preset, go to media, go to yours, and then go to my preset. So here you'll be able to see all your preset you created. So here is my own. So if you want to use this text preset on your next project, so just import the text preset like this to your timeline. After that, right click on it and then go to undo compound clip. So after you undo compound clip, so here it will allow you to edit the text and use it. So if you select the text, go to this text basic. So here you can edit what is written inside your current text preset and use it on your current editing. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.